Hey everyone, want to make your Tesla's rear end look even sexier? Look at that startup effect, super sleek and modern, right? Let's check out this Model 3 Highland continuous taillight. Check it out in action while cruising forward. Just adds that extra flair. Best part, it doesn't affect your warranty at all. And here's how it looks when you hit the brakes. Bright and clear. Turning left, turning right, no problem. This taillight handles it all with style. Perfectly fits your Model 3 Highland with a sleek OEM look. Summer sale, 18% discount. Coupon code is this 18. So, who's ready to upgrade their Tesla's look with this awesome taillight? Let me know in the comments. Hit the link in my bio to grab yours now. Don't miss out on making your Tesla the coolest on the block. Startup brakes, turn signals, forward drive. Perfect fit. Warranty safe. Get yours today.